haven't done a video in a while, and I decided that I would do one on a subscription service that's clothing for once. This is for Nadine West. It comes in this cute pink packaging. Says I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. It's $9.78 a month. And that covers the shipping. You don't have a styling fee or anything like that. And that rolls over for you to use as credit. So I'm going to hurry up because my camera keeps acting funky. So the first thing I have is this black top, which has this crisscross at the front. The brand is West Coast Love. It's pretty long. It has this cuff sleeve with a little gold detail. Not sure if it's catching up on that or not. Pretty sure I'm going to keep that. The next thing was a pair of athleisure leggings. I love the color. And I love how the bottom, the little detail on it, it's see-through. The only thing is they're small medium, and I am a true medium, so I don't think they're going to fit. So I'm most likely going to be sending these back. I got this shirt. I think this is the shirt. Yes. Oh, the top. I'm sorry. Trying to hurry up and I totally forgot. The top is $19.49 and the leggings are $21.99. This top, which is by Hippie, Ohio, it has a little crisscross in the back of it. It's longer in the front and the bottom, a little shorter on the sides. It's cute. This is just not the print for me. If this is the print for you though, and you got this is Black Flower Karen one, $39.99. So I'm definitely not keeping that one. Then I have a dress. Another flower one. It's by Heart and Hips. It's a large, which I'm really surprised they sent me a large. I'm a medium and everything else. I'm definitely not going to keep this. It's just not. It's not my style. I appreciate them sending like something different. It's just not for me. And then I have two more pieces of clothing. This top, which is cute, but not on me. It's by Hippie, Ohio. It's a cold shoulder. So cold shoulder. And then it has this rose detail on the sleeve. And then in the front, it bunches up. And I'm not sure if that's what gets me, and I'm just not used to it. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this camera. See where it bunches? I don't know. I have to think on this one. Because I do have $24 in credit. They did send these black leggings, or I think they just have them as pants. The Margaux, they're $24.49. They're black, they're skinny, they're mediums, they fit. They already have dog hair on it. I'm keeping them. I love them. I'm putting them in a different little pile. Then I had something that I'm not used to getting, which is socks. I'm not going to keep these. They're $9.99 for a pair. They're cute. I'm just not going to spend that much. And then there is this bracelet that I think is not my style. But when I put it up to my arm, I feel like maybe it could be. the shadow's not getting in the way. So I'm going to think long and hard on that one. But there is a necklace. Oh, and that bracelet is, I believe, $11.99, and then this necklace is $29.99. It's nice and long, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that so pretty? Hopefully it's getting it. I'm afraid my camera's gonna die like any minute. But yes, so this was my, what month is it even at this point? March, 1st of March, Nadine West bag. I hope I said Nadine West at the beginning and not BoxyCharm. It's been one of those days. I teach, so it's definitely been one of those days. But if you like this, you should definitely give it a try. So far, I haven't been disappointed. There's always something that I want out of it. And it's great for if you're in a business casual setting. But if you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully I'll be making more videos. Bye guys.